Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we're taking you to the stunning shores of Coffs Harbour, where an innovative cafe built from shipping containers is redefining waterfront dining. With its modern design, eco-friendly approach, and unbeatable jetty views, this container cafe is a must-see. Join us as we explore its unique architecture, smart use of space, and the vibrant atmosphere that makes it a local favorite. Let's dive in. The new Coffs Harbour Jetty Café is built from a 20-foot new high-cube container with external batons and eco-deck on the exterior. Full marine upgrade to cope with sea spray from the jetty. Marine stainless internally with dual tilt-up gas strut assisted tilt-up panels. Additional safety lock-in bars installed on both tilt panels. The tilt-up panels are also fully insulated at R1.9 thermal rating. Custom cabinetry and benching to the client's requests. This unit was completely built as you see it on the video with minimal on-site setup. Nestled along the scenic coastline of Coffs Harbour, the Jetty Container Cafe stands as a stunning example of modern, sustainable design. Built from repurposed shipping containers, this cafe blends industrial aesthetics with a relaxed coastal vibe, creating a unique dining experience for locals and visitors alike. The use of shipping containers in construction has become a popular trend, offering both environmental benefits and cost-effective solutions. The Jetty Container Cafe embraces this concept, utilizing recycled containers to reduce waste while providing a stylish and functional space. With an open-air design, large glass windows, and a strategic layout, the cafe seamlessly integrates with the surrounding landscape, allowing guests to enjoy breathtaking views of the ocean. Beyond its architectural appeal, the cafe is renowned for its exceptional menu. Featuring locally sourced ingredients, fresh seafood, and artisanal coffee, it offers a diverse range of culinary delights. Whether you're stopping by for a quick espresso, a hearty breakfast, or a relaxing lunch by the water, the Jetty Container Cafe delivers an unforgettable experience. More than just a place to eat, the cafe has become a vibrant community hub. It regularly hosts local events, live music, and art exhibitions, fostering a welcoming atmosphere for both residents and tourists. Its strategic location near the Coffs Harbour Jetty also makes it a prime spot for those exploring the area's beaches, markets, and marine activities. The Coffs Harbour Jetty Container Cafe is a perfect example of how sustainability, innovation, and a love for the ocean can come together to create something truly special. Whether you're drawn by its eco-friendly design, delicious menu, or stunning waterfront views, this container cafe is a must-visit destination in Coffs Harbour. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Coffs Harbour Jetty Container Cafe. This innovative waterfront spot perfectly blends sustainability, style, and a vibrant community atmosphere. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more amazing container architecture and design inspirations. See you in the next video.